Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to free up space from the local disk of your computer if it became low on memory. So, let's get started. First, see my local disk C. You can see it's low on memory. Let's free up some space. Click on Start. Here search for Run. Click on Run to open it. Now, type %temp%. Click OK. Press Ctrl+A from keyboard and delete all files and folders. Again click on Start. Search for Run. Open it. Now type prefetch. Click OK. Press Ctrl+A to select all files. Press Delete and then Enter. Now, go to Start. Type Disk Cleanup. Open it. Select the disk that you want to clean. Press Enter. It will take a while to complete. Now check them all and press Enter. Click on Delete Files. And you are done. Now, let's see the local disk C. You can see, it freed up enough space. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel to watch more videos like this, in future. See you in the next video.